Hey everybody, this is Randy the Wild Horse, and I got some matchbooks of old banks and some slogans and pictures too. Let's start looking at them, all right? All right. Well, here's one that's a plain old green matchbook. Yeah, I know, boring. Put it aside. Okay. Here's the pay and save. Okay. Well, it's all green there, so okay, that's boring. Yeah. Okay, close curve is for striking. Okay, that's service value and quality there. Thank you. We appreciate your patronage. Call again. Okay, that one's better. There's Hi Joe, Bye Joe. All right. And here's one on the Golden Gate Bridge. This is very worn out, which is too bad. Here's the history of the Golden Gate Bridge. I'll try to get as focused as I can. Okay. And here's the State Security Bank of Sabika. They're still around. Thank you for your business with a handshake. You won't see banks giving out matchbooks anymore because they don't have to. Okay, there's one in Wadena, the First National Bank. Okay, there's the phone number. Those that want to call it. This is during the bicentennial year of 1976. Okay, here's the other one. Okay, there's the phone number. And there's one, the monkey and the tiger. That one's scratched out, which is too bad. Loses value that way. Here's the Bacchus State Bank of Bacchus, Minnesota. Phone number in the front. Member FDIC. This is another one during the bicentennial year. Okay, yeah, my late uncle, he used to love the bicentennial year in 1976. Yeah, one day I said, what's the big deal about the bicentennial year? He says, oh, we had 200 years of freedom. And that's what Ed used to say, so. Okay, there's a Thursday matches. Okay, bargain day. All right. Here's another one of a colonial patriot with a musket. Okay. Here's a couple American flags with a golden eagle. All right. Okay, here's one. Thank you. Call again. Okay. Here's another one. Thank you. Call again. Other side, same thing. Okay. Yeah. Here's one of Fourth Northwestern National Bank. Phone number. Okay. There's the William Lee Agency, Perham State Building in Perham, Minnesota. There's the phone number. Package Insurance Specialists. That's the insurance they sell to you. Okay. Here's one of the 1908 sports car. Okay. Sports cars of yesteryear. And here it is. Yeah, nice car. Okay, there's the William Lee Agency of Perham. Another matchbook cover for complete protection, so your call. There's the St. Paul companies. Okay. There's a flower there. And that's about it. Okay, there's the Boston Tea Party. American Revolution Bicentennial. Okay. And there's a drafting the Declaration of Independence. That's a 1976 matchbook cover. Okay. And Washakie, Shoshone Chief. Here's what it says. Another Indian tribe did more to help white settlement of the West than the Shoshone, led by the great chief Washakie. He peacefully accepted white men and was rewarded with a reservation on chosen land. Well, okay. You want to say that out where they're from. There's Home Savings Loan Association. Okay. 3625 Canal Street. High dividends permitted under the law. Okay. Yeah, okay, I got that. There's one of the 1906 Franklin. A 4-cylinder engine. Sold at $1,800. That was a lot of money in 1906. I think people made like $20 a week at the time. Okay, there's Camden, Northwestern State Bank. Yeah, it's called Wells Fargo now. There's the Northwestern, the weather ball. Phone number. Instant interest. Okay. Here's the Alamo. Historic America. San Antonio, Texas is the old fort where a famous battle was fought in 1836 between Texas and Mexico before Texas became part of the United States. Yeah, that was a bloody battle, I'll tell you that. There's Camden Northwestern Bank. Banco. Okay. There's the phone number. Okay. Member FDIC. Okay. There's Camden Northwest State Bank. That was, no, Camden Northwestern, excuse me. Phone number. Full Service Bank. No, I like this matchbook. And here's my divider one, Security State Bank of Sabika, never opened. Okay, and it's going to stay unopened as long as I'm alive. Can't say what my relatives will do after me. Okay, now I'll be opening matchbook covers. Mid-American Mutual Life Insurance, St. Paul. This is Mid-America. Okay, here's inside the matchbook cover. That's hard doing this by yourself, I'll tell you. Well, I don't want to bend it too much because it'll lose value. So here's First State Bank and Trust of Mission, Texas. Phone number of that bank. There's a symbol. Bank by mail. Okay. All right. I guess you can still bank by mail if you choose to, or by internet, or CNB. Okay, that's Citizens National Bank, I believe that's what it is. My phone number. Whoops. Safe deposit boxes, and that's in New Orleans, Louisiana. Okay. Here's First National Bank of Long Prairie, Minnesota. Since 1891. Okay. Oops. All right. Okay, there's Minnesota State Parks. Welcomes you. You won't see that in Minnesota anymore. Land of 10,000 Lakes. Minnesota State Bird, the loon. And it still is the loon. Don't be a litter bug. This is your state park. Keep it beautiful. Minnesota DNR. Well, welcomes you. Never tell that to the. Never say the farmers up here anything about DNR. I'll tell you that. Whatever happened to Sean Flynn. Okay, in the back. Okay, let's see. Oh, man. All right. First State Bank and Trust in Missions, Texas. Phone number. All right. This is a Christmas one, so Trust Service, First State Bank and Trust in Missions, Texas. Okay. Another one. Robert Collins. Phone number. This is a very old-fashioned matchbook. Home office, Lincoln, Nebraska. Since 1890. Oh, okay. Complete income protection, life, health, accident, hospitalization. Okay. That's the Continental Insurance Company, with the soldier. Let's see. All right. I don't fold these too much because, like I said, I just don't want to lose the value of these matches because they're, unless I go on eBay and buy them, they're going to be very hard to find, and somebody that's selling them, they're going to name their price, so I'm going to have to be careful. Late income collection, okay. I know I'm never going to strike any matches here. There's Snowbird, Utah, Steak Pit, Tram Room, Beer Garden, okay. The gift bag, all right. Excuse me again. There's the First National Bank of Hennig. Okay, I'm sure it's still there. I'm sure they still have that same phone number. I've been in Hennig before, so. Full service bank, insurance of all kinds. Okay. Oh, let's see. What's my next one? Okay. This one. MS. Savings account. Service near you. Metropolitan Savings. This one's in Los Angeles, California. Insured to $10,000. Earnings paid 4 times a year. If there's a bank like that around now, let me know. Okay. Capital Federal, Savings and Loan. All right. First Farmers National Bank, Alexandria, Minnesota. Member Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation. You always come first at First Farmers. Yeah. All right, this is very old matchbook, you can tell. This one's in Fargo, North Dakota. Gates Savings. It's probably my mother's matchbook. She was from the North Dakota area. Or it could have been my late uncle. He's been in North Dakota, many times. Well, so have I, but This is hard doing it solo. Okay. This is what it looks like, but I'm not going to bend this too much because I don't want to lose value of the matches. So, okay, there's Camden Northwestern Bank in Minneapolis, Brooklyn Park office, Camden Northwestern Bank, member FDIC, 8400 Zane Avenue North. No, that's gone. Okay. Even draw a map for you. Show the map one more time. And this will be it, and I hope you enjoyed the matchbooks as much as I've shown them to you. So this is Randy the Wild Horse, and so long, everybody.